Hello everyone, today I'm going to make a big shout out to all my channel members. But for those of you who does not know where to check the membership or the channel members, you could, I will show you. So go to your YouTube studio and move down, scroll down, go to earn. Then go to the membership. Then scroll down. You could see the list of your members down below here. So far, I have generous, loyal, kind, fantastic channel members. And I would like to make a big shout out to all of them. Lolito World Tracker, if you want to know. Lolito World Tracker. Hello to all trackers around the world, and this is my channel member, Lolito World Tracker. So I am so thankful, very kind, good guy, and Elimfro Virgo. Yeah, Elimfro Virgo. Thank you, bro, for your membership. Greatly appreciate it a lot. And of course, Foodman Paul Vlogs. Foodman Paul Vlogs. A nice guy from Canada. Thank you, bro. Foodman Paul Vlogs. Alan Cabato of Canada. Fantastic guy, Alan Cabato. Very kind. Thank you so much, bro. Give big thanks. And also shout out to Marlix Journey. Also, happy birthday to my dearest channel member. I think she's the oldest in my membership, guys. Very, very long. Marlix Journey. Very kind. Thank you so much, Marlix Journey. And also, happy birthday. She's just celebrating the birthday. Thank you so much, Marlix Journey, and mega love. Shout out to you. So those are my channel members. Shout out all of them. Thank you all so much once again. So guys, I would like to say thank you all so much for watching, and please don't forget, if you like some tutorial about home decorating, DIY, stay tuned to my channel, and perhaps we could do some collaborations and podcast live. So stay with me, and I greatly appreciate for giving me the time to be with me and to watch my video. Thank you all so much, and sa tanang mga Bisaya dyan, daghang salamat kaayo sa inyong mga suporta. And to those who are like-minded people, I greatly appreciate, guys. Let's collaborate, and I am so eager to, hear more anything and to learn anything from you too. Sharing ideas, guys, is nice, and of course, it's so nice to learn from someone who is more knowledgeable and expert in a certain thing. So it's about sharing and loving what we find it like close to our heart. The things that we love to do. So guys, thank you all so much, and I'll see you in the next one.